25 years ago, the fate of the MQ-9 Reaper hung in the balance. General Atomics developed it without any order and using their own money. That's risky from a business perspective. But then suddenly the September 11th terrorist attacks convinced the Pentagon that the Reaper would be indispensable in this new, emerging reality. During a demonstration flight in front of a commission from the Pentagon, an MQ-9 Reaper opened fire on a replica of bin Laden's house. The #1 copy of the terrorist's residence was built directly at the test site. It was a brilliant marketing ploy, and a great way to convince conservative generals to make the right decisions. Today the MQ-9 Reaper is the U.S. Air Force's primary strike and reconnaissance UAV. The CIA also uses it in its operations. The drone is also operational for Italy, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Kazakhstan, France and the United Kingdom. Recently, information emerged that the MQ-9 Reaper would be sent to Ukraine, where the largest military operation since the Second World War is underway. What does the MQ-9 Reaper actually do, and why is it so expensive? You are now about to find out.